Okay, so in this video what we want to look at is basically use the match function with our VLOOKUP. Okay, so if you look here, I've got my package, quantity, tax rate, tax amount. If I go to table array, I've got package, quantity, unit price, tax rate, total excluding. So my columns are organized in a different way. Okay, and essentially what I want the match to do with the VLOOKUP is to actually identify what's the matching heading in the column. Okay, so I do this by going up to my lookup and reference, down to my VLOOKUP. Okay, this value here, and I press F4 to lock the column. I then go down to my table array over here, highlight all the columns over there if I need to, F4 to lock it. And in my column index number I use my match. So I type in match, left bracket, and then I click up on this one, and I just use my F4 to lock it so it's locked to the row, because I don't want the row to change, so I'm copying it, comma, and then I go over to my table array and I highlight my column here for my table array, F4. Now just remember that the column headings have to be exactly the same for this to work. And then I go comma, 0, close my brackets, and then for my range lookup then I put in 0 or false. And click OK. Right, so I'm just going to drag the first one across to check it. Okay, so quantity for the first one is 10. Quantity there is 10. Okay, check my tax amount, 345. My tax amount is 345. There it is, the same one. And let's say total, do one more. Total including VAT 2645. Total including VAT 2645. Right. So once I've done this lot here, and then double click on the corner to copy it down, and it does the whole lot eventually. Give it a second here. Okay. Now one thing you do need to watch out for, because when I was kind of working through this, you can sometimes find that there it is, still doing the escape thing down the bottom, because this is a humongous file, just to say to you. There we go. Yep, hopefully, there we go, all the way down. Right. So one of the things I found out when I was doing this is that I kind of found that, for example, I needed to have, these first columns here in column A in both of them. Okay, so I need to have these two start in column A in both of them, because I found I didn't get correct results when I was doing it. So just to bear that in mind. Right. So I hope you found this useful, and see you again in some other video. Mind yourself, take care, bye.